spices that will help make you well. Sumac packed with antioxidants. Sumac, derived from the berries of the Rhus coriaria shrub, is a staple spice in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cooking. It's renowned not only for its tangy lemon-like flavor, but also for its health benefits, primarily its high antioxidant content. Health benefits of sumac. 1. Rich in antioxidants, sumac is one of the most powerful antioxidant spices. It contains high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidant compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and the potential risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in sumac also have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of sumac may help manage and reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to a range of health issues including arthritis, asthma, and heart disease. 3. Improves glycemic control. Some studies suggest that sumac may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Its ability to improve insulin sensitivity helps in managing blood glucose levels. 4. Supports cardiovascular health. Sumac can contribute to heart health by helping to reduce cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. This is likely due to its antioxidant content, which prevents the oxidation of cholesterol that leads to blood vessel damage. 5. Increases digestive health. Sumac is also known for its ability to aid digestion. It can help stimulate the stomach to produce more gastric acid, aiding in the efficient digestion of food and the absorption of nutrients. How to use sumac. Culinary uses. Sumac is commonly used as a seasoning in Middle Eastern cuisine, sprinkled over salads, grilled meats, and rice dishes. It adds a sour, tangy flavor without the acidity of lemon. Tea. A tea made from sumac berries can be consumed for its health benefits. Steep the ground sumac in hot water and strain before drinking. Spice blends. Sumac is often a component in spice blends such as the attar, and it pairs well with other herbs and spices. Dressings and marinades. The bright, tangy flavor of sumac works well in dressings and marinades, adding a lemony zest to vegetables and meats. Considerations. Allergic reactions. As sumac is related to the cashew family, individuals with nut allergies should approach sumac cautiously and consult healthcare providers before introducing it into their diets. Quality and purity. Ensure that the sumac you purchase is pure and not mixed with other substances that could contain allergens or non-edible components. Sumac's vibrant flavor and rich antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to many dishes and a beneficial supplement to a healthy diet. It's a simple way to enhance both the taste and nutritional value of meals. Always consider consulting with a healthcare provider if you're considering sumac as part of a health regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or allergies. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites at www.orangeblackmuseum.com and www.orangebooks.com.